It is said that there is nothing like Mom's cooking. I agree. Mom's food is always the best. Today Mom's cooking Bengali Style roast chicken. For this, she is using 1 kg of chicken drumstick. For the ingredients, garlic and ginger. Salt to taste. Chili powder. Mix curry powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, turmeric powder, grounded black and white pepper, punch puran Indian spices, garam masala, mustard oil and lemon juice. She marinates the chicken for half an hour. She then slightly fries the drumstick for about 10 minutes. Next, she puts the drumstick in a tray covered with foil paper. She then leaves it in the oven for 40 minutes. Now that the chicken is ready, you can eat it with rice, or if you are like me, you can have it with chips.